Am I the a-hole for my response after my brother-in-law said my dress was inappropriate? He was married to a woman from Greece named Nana, and the reason for their divorce was because of how much my conservative brother-in-law tried to control her clothes and the places she went. He didn't want the divorce and had hoped Nana would accept the life he offered and stay, but she didn't. This was 2 years back, and now he's moved in with my in-laws again, so we see him more frequently. He's made remarks about the way I dress more than once, and it's honestly unbearable. But since my in-laws mentioned he's going through a tough time and feeling depressed, I chose to let it slide. On Friday, my in-laws celebrated my husband's 30th birthday at their home. I wore a heart-shaped blue dress and had my hair up. While we were eating, my brother-in-law pointed at me and said that my cleavage was showing, and that I shouldn't have worn this dress because it looked inappropriate for a family gathering. I was utterly shocked. Everyone was looking at me, and I felt so embarrassed, totally put on the spot. He just stared, probably expecting me to explode, but I laughed instead and said, "Knock, knock." He replied, "Who's there?" And I said, "Nana." Now he paused and seemed confused at the mention of this name. He then faked a laugh and said, "Nana who?" I said, "Nana, your goddamn business what I'm wearing, okay?" He got upset and quickly left the table. My sisters-in-law laughed, but my husband and his parents were upset. Later, they said I was way out of line for mentioning Nana, knowing how heartbroken and depressed he still is over her. His mom called me petty, and my husband said I was being deliberately hurtful